out this part.
It's tape.
Oh, great.
You gotta do the tape. Just rip the box off.
Okay.
What is it?
What is it?
Oh, it's a family shirt thing.
Oh my gosh, for all of us.
Awesome.
Cool. What does it
For
look
the whole
like?
family. Oh,
I've seen these sweaters.
that's cool.
Oh, August, hold yours up. Hold one up too.
Oh, you got a cool one too.
Oh my gosh. What do we
got it.
say to Roger and Stephanie?
Sweater
Thank
vest.
you.
Look at that. Yes.
August. What do you say to Roger and Stephanie?
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.